Imagine you're planning a dream vacation to Bali, but you need to transfer funds from your lunar bank account to a local Indonesian bank. How long will it take? Let's dive into the world of lunar bank international transfers. Ever wondered if you can send money instantly across the globe? Or if it's still a slow, tedious process? In today's interconnected world, international transfers are more common than ever. Whether you're sending money to a family member abroad, paying for a foreign purchase, or investing in a global market, speed and efficiency are crucial. Lunar Bank, known for its innovative banking solutions, offers international transfer services. But how does it compare to traditional banks? The speed factor. One of the biggest advantages of Lunar Bank is its speed. While traditional banks might take several days or even weeks to process international transfers, Lunar Bank often completes them within a few hours or even minutes. This is due to its advanced technology and partnerships with global payment networks. Lunar Bank can leverage these resources to expedite the transfer process. Factors affecting transfer speed. However, the exact transfer time can vary depending on a few factors. Receiving bank the speed of the receiving bank's processing can influence the overall duration. Some banks may have slower systems or stricter verification procedures. Currency conversion if the transfer involves converting currencies, it might add a bit of time. The exchange rate and the complexity of the conversion process can play a role. Regulatory requirements in some cases, regulatory compliance checks can delay the transfer. This is particularly true for larger amounts or transfers to certain countries. Lunar Bank's transfer process. Let's break down the typical steps involved in a Lunar Bank international transfer. 1. Initiating the transfer. You can easily initiate a transfer through the Lunar Bank app or website. You'll need to provide the recipient's bank details, the amount to be transferred, and the currency. 2. Verification. Lunar Bank may conduct verification checks to ensure the transaction is legitimate and complies with anti-money laundering regulations. 3. Processing. Once verified, the transfer is processed through the relevant payment networks. 4. Delivery. The funds are delivered to the recipient's bank account. Additional considerations. While Lunar Bank generally offers fast and efficient international transfers, it's always a good idea to consider the following. Fees. Some banks or payment networks may charge fees for international transfers. It's important to check Lunar Bank's fee structure to avoid unexpected costs. Exchange rates. Pay attention to the exchange rate offered by Lunar Bank. Compare it to other providers to ensure you're getting a fair deal. Security. Lunar Bank prioritizes security, but it's always wise to take precautions to protect your account information and avoid scams. So, how long does a Lunar Bank international transfer take? The short answer is, it depends. While Lunar Bank is known for its speed, factors like the receiving bank, currency conversion, and regulatory requirements can influence the duration. However, compared to traditional banks, Lunar Bank often offers a significantly faster and more convenient experience. If you're looking for a quick and efficient way to send money internationally, Lunar Bank is definitely worth considering. Want to learn more about Lunar Bank's international transfer services? Visit their website or download their app today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.